Okay. All right. How many do you have under here?
Uh-huh. Boy, I can fucking there's a play.
Flip it, then I gotta flip it, then I gotta whip it, then I gotta dip it, then I gotta flip it, then I gotta da whip it, then I gotta go. This ain't a rap song, this is a rap song, this is a rap song, this is a rap flow. I got the flow, got the flow, got the shot, I got a got. Hey, here you go. Wiggle, wiggle, whack, wiggle, wiggle, whack, whack, wiggle, whack, whack, wiggle, whack, whack, wiggle, whack.
I get that like not all people are dog people, but I'm going to show you right here why you need to have a dog. This is literally the selling point. You could have had a good day, a bad day. Are you kidding me?
I'm recording her being bad because I want her to move. No. Do it. Do it.
So I read on the internet that cats get on your laptop because they're mirroring you. And so if you get them their own laptop, they'll leave you alone. And look at this little businessman!
No.
Yeah, did you drink my Mountain Dew? Did you drink my Mountain Dew? Let me smell your breath. Let me smell your breath.
I'm tired of this, Grandpa.
That's too damn bad. You keep digging.
Well, excuse me. People been looking at me. I'm just like, what you looking at, stranger?
It all started when my mom met my dad, and they fell in love, and they had me.
2 months